another day of It's a Bug's Life. Auxbeam sent us these really cool LED headlights. So for Goosy's 2005 Ford Mustang, we're going to replace her OEM headlights and put in these really cool LED headlights that have actually turbo fans for heat dissipation. So we're going to see how easy the install is, and we're going to review them for a couple of weeks, check them out, and we're going to let you know how they perform. And I'll also be showcasing them on my Twitter and Facebook and Instagram, so be sure and check me out then. So let's check out this install and let's get started.
I always check you out, Buck.
When the package arrived, it showed up in this really neat box. The LED lights are tucked in nice in this foam. And actually the controllers were tucked in behind it. Of course, they're out now. And just looking at these, the wiring looks good. The 4 LED lights on either side, and gaskets to help with waterproofing, and the fan back here for temperature control. Auxbeam is stepping up their game in production and quality control, and we're really excited to see how this performs.
Okay, so we're gonna, instructions. We don't need no instructions. So it's funny, we did our research just like anybody else looking on YouTube, and people were like, you know, get the car up, take the bumper off. I mean, there was all sorts of opinions.
Radiator shrouds gotta go.
Yeah, the whole shebang. Honestly, it looks like all we have to do is maybe remove the air box, which is gonna be easier than removing this. This one, if I can't get to it, Buddy's hand can get down in there. So we're gonna start by getting this air box out of here and going for it.
Let's do it.
So this is, of course, it's
10 millimeter.
Yeah, that's it right back in there. So this does have aftermarket headlights in it. Actually, we didn't realize already.
Surprise!
Well, there you go. Well, they're not working, so we're putting these in. They just don't, these seem really light.
Really,
you know, everything that's heavy is expensive and nice, right? So there you go.
really professional looking.
All right, let's install one. That seems. Woo! That is tight. Okay, and then this screws on. So you got a nice, good, watertight connection there.
Nice. Snug.
Yeah, that's it. There you go.
There you go.
All right, so this is the passenger side. You know, we don't even need to remove anything for this. She just comes right on out.
Nice.
Hold on. Screw them on and insert. This is a little tighter fit over here.
Boom!
Right?
Absolutely. That looks nice.
Yeah, she's nice and bright. Oh, that pin's actually, see that pin?
Yes.
I bet you this light works. I bet you if I push that pin back in there,
This headlight would
I
work.
bet you this headlight works. I bet you when he installed it, where's that little baby black screwdriver?
You put it back inside.
Did I?
Oh yeah.
Let me
Or I
go grab
did.
it real quick.